Okay, so for today's recipe, it's pretty easy and you'll need these simple ingredients. So all of these that you see right here, I get from Milk and Eggs. I'll leave the link in the description box below. They only deliver to LA County and Orange County areas, so definitely check them out if you do live in those areas. But let me get into it. So you're gonna need some garlic. I like these ones because it comes already peeled and it comes in these packets like this of like 4 to 5 garlic cloves, which is great because it keeps the rest fresh. Okay, then you're going to need a Scotch bonnet pepper, or in this case I'm using a habanero because that's the closest that I have. I'll be using their thyme, small red onion, a green pepper, and then I'll be cutting about 6 of these sweet peppers. Now the things that you can't get off of Milk and Eggs are going to be your pure cream coconut, which is you can get from your local Jamaican store. If you don't have a Jamaican store, you could actually use about 2 tablespoons of coconut milk, but make sure it's unsweetened. You're going to need some Jamaican curry powder. I'm sure you can order this online, or if you're on the East Coast, it should be very readily accessible. I'm gonna use some Trader Joe's Himalayan pink sea salt, some Trader Joe's organic garbanzo beans, black pepper, and then some Trader Joe's grapeseed oil. I'm gonna start doing more recipes, and as you can see, the only places I really shop at are Milk and Eggs and Trader Joe's. So let's get. Okay, so I put about 2 to 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil, and then you're gonna take about 2 tablespoons worth of curry powder. You wanna make sure your oil is very hot because you wanna brown this curry powder. So you're just gonna stir this up until you notice that your curry powder is browning. Just gonna keep stirring this, and I'll come back so you can see what color it should be. At this point, you wanna have your stove on medium after your oil is hot because you don't wanna burn your curry. Okay, so once your curry is brown, it'll look something like this. And now we're gonna go ahead and add some ingredients. So everything's cut up. I got my full green pepper, 5 of the sweet peppers. I did 3 cloves of garlic, 1/2 onion, habanero, thyme, and coconut cream. So we're gonna actually put the garlic in first. I'm gonna stir that. And then we're gonna take some thyme. Then we are gonna add our onions. And we're just gonna mix all of this up. Pot is now on low heat. Okay, now your onions should look like this. I'm gonna go ahead and add the bell peppers. You're gonna wanna stir this up really good. At this point, I'm also gonna add in my pepper, and I'm also gonna add in my coconut cream. And you're just gonna wanna stir this for about 3 minutes. And again, your fire should be on low. You don't want to overcook your bell peppers to take away the nutrients out. Now I'm going to start seasoning. I start with some black pepper, and of course this is to your preference. Now I'll be adding my sea salt, again to your preference. Now I'm going to add the garbanzo beans, and you just want to fold everything in. Again, it's still going to be on low. I do have a gas stove and not an electric, so if you're on electric, you can probably keep it on a medium. If anyone is like me and likes gravy, I just went ahead and added like a tablespoonful of water. Now it's been about 2 to 3 minutes. And of course, you're gonna taste it to see if you need to add any more salt or black pepper. But right now, mine is perfect. So I'm gonna turn the fire off. Alright, so I just made some brown rice. So I'm just going to take some of that and some of my curry chickpeas. And this is my plate. All veggies and healthy stuff. Brown rice, avocado, that's a full avocado. And my curry chickpeas. A Jamaican vegan meal would not be complete without your Grace hot pepper sauce. So I'm gonna put some of that on here and on my avocado. If you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with all your friends, and let me know what type of recipes you guys want to see next. Like usual, follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine and Snapchat at JaMexican Beauty. Bye guys.